Hi honeys, I'm back home. Okay, Walter wants some beef stew. So I'm going to recycle my pot roast and vegetables and doctor it up and make it into some beef stew. Because I still got a lot left. I'll put the leftovers in this Ziploc bag. So I just dumped it in my Instant Pot pressure cooker. So I just opened up a can of tomato sauce. Oh, so I dumped the food in here. I put some water in the bottom of it. Got potatoes, meat, and all in here. And I sliced the meat up. So I'm going to re-season this. And I'm going to find some more vegetables. Maybe some corn and some spring beans. But when I cook a lot. And this is Worcestershire, black pepper. This big ground black pepper. What else? We're gonna need some more salt. I'm using the kosher salt, the coarse kosher salt. A little bit. Looks like a half a teaspoon. Let me put a little more. What else I need? Red pepper flakes or crushed red pepper. What else? I'm gonna put some Slap Your Mama in here. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna go find some more veggies to put up in here. Okay, I just found some string beans and some corn. So I'm going to drain the liquid out. And I got the corn. Whole kernel corn. I'm going to drain this liquid out. And this is going to be another hearty meal cooked in another gadget. And this is a recycled meal. So I'm going to throw some bacon in here. Help season. I didn't chop up the potatoes or anything. It's just like it was when I cooked it in the grill. Oh no, this needs some salt. Okay. I'm going to use some Old Bay. I got a little bit Old Bay hot sauce left. That's going in there. Still got some left, a little bit. And what else? Salt. Where's my pink salt? Okay, I put about a whole teaspoon of Morton salt. Can't find my pink salt right now. Put in about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. I'm getting ready to shake in some granulated onion powder. Not too much. And some granulated garlic. That's good. I'll put some more Worcestershire in here. I'm going to taste it before I put the lid on. Ooh. You can stand some more salt, y'all. Try not to overdo it. This is about a 1/4 teaspoon. So that's good. Okay, it looks good. Let me scrape the bottom, make sure ain't nothing sticking. And these potatoes, they're still firm, they're not mushy. And the meat is only going to get more tender. Big chunks of meat. Okay. Just tap on. This is my 3-quart Instant Pot Mini. Okay. This thing here on here right. Turn it to seal. And I've already set it for, I think I set it for 10 minutes. Let me turn it down so, yeah, I set it for 10 minutes. I don't think it needs 10 minutes. Six minutes. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, this just beeped a couple minutes ago. It's already come up to pressure, so I'm going to do a quick release. Because like I said, everything was done. Stuff had to heat up. Get that from under my cabinet. Okay, did y'all hear it drop? Now it's safe to open. Always open it away from me so the steam don't hit me in the face. Let the steam go back that way. Look at that. Oh yeah, the potatoes still like I had them. Okay. Let me dish up my stuff. I like the red onion I got in here. We're gonna pick that out. Whoops. I like it really, really juicy. Let me take a thumbnail picture of my recycled beef stew. Okay, this is my recycled beef stew. It was pot roast and potatoes and carrots. And I added some stuff to it to make it into a beef stew. We had leftovers, a lot of leftovers. What's going to be a good thumbnail? I see no carrot up in here. They in here somewhere. That's the red onion. I love the red onion. I love them. So, there's a carrot. He hiding. Okay, here's my bowl of beef stew. Recycled beef stew. Cut this meat. It's hot. Need some corn muffins. I'm fixing them now. I wish I had taken the time to cut the meat. Look at those big old ignorant pieces. Let me eat something else. Potato, some rice. It's good, y'all. And I'm surprised that the potatoes held their shape. Here's some good eating. My recycled beef stew. This wasn't my plan for today. I wanted some chicken wings. They're already prepared, marinating in the fridge. But it's cold today, y'all. And tonight it's supposed to drop to 40 degrees here in Illinois. Right now it's about 63 degrees, and it feels good to me. Walter was cold. He had to wear a jacket. It felt good to me. But tonight it's going to get cold. And I ain't turning on no heat. It's too soon. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. You see, I'm ready to eat. Took off my wig, put on my caftan. I'm ready. Y'all be blessed. Bon appetit. Bye.